here we are in room 220. They've got the safety seal on it for 2021. Let me juggle camera and card. It says I can just pull this. Okay, here we go. Awesome. And here we go. While this is our umpteenth time staying at this specific Holiday Inn, this will be our first time in the family suite. Let me throw the sticker away. And this is the last room tour for this hotel. We've stayed in every style. We've stayed in the Just King room. We have stayed in the 2 queens. And this time we are in the family suite because we have all 5 of us this time. So let's start here at the bathroom. The bathrooms are off right to the right as you come in. Plenty of vanity space right here. The mirrors. Hi. Travel mess. Has the washcloth, toilet paper down here. They have, they have a new citrus body bar. That's different. They also have a different brand of makeup removers. Oh, they still have that same lotion though. That stuff is fantastic. I love it. But they have shelf space down here. We may need some more towels, but that's okay. That's something that usually we just ask for as we go. Here is the shower. It has a rain shower head on it. The curved rod. This is like the style of ones we bought for our house because we love this style so much when we travel. Here are the shower products that they have, and we absolutely love them. We did pack some just in case they didn't have any in stock because they do the pumps now, but these are so nice. And I have sensitive skin, it works really well. So shower, bathroom looks super clean. Oh, and on the back of the door of every one of them, they have the hair dryer in the bag. One of the things I love is the full-length mirror right here. Hi. So that in the morning, as the girls and I are getting dressed, we can look in the full-length mirror. We also have plenty of hangers right here. We'll probably only hang the dress clothes right here. I love that there's an ironing board and iron in here, and shelf space. So this one's a little bit different. Usually the tables are over in the corner, but because it's a family suite, there is a table right here. I don't think any of this has personal information on it. Okay, so also new, literally we were here in February. From February to now, they are remodeling downstairs. They're remodeling the breakfast area. They're remodeling the front desk. So this is the information about it. They're still doing pool reservations. So when everybody comes in, we're going to ask for a 30-minute time slot for today, which I kind of like that because that means that we're guaranteed 30 minutes per day that we arrive. So that's pretty cool. So 2 chairs here and plenty of room for the kids to sit down and eat here with the 2 chairs here plus the couch, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's a lamp right here, and their lamps, oh, is it push? Okay, I don't know if it was a lever or push. Their lamps have outlets on them, which is perfect for when we're charging the camera batteries. There's another mirror behind here, just like if we absolutely need to. Ice bucket, the ice machines are reopened. And right here, this couch is going to pull out to a bed. And then we have a little end table here as well. So that works out really well. Oh, I missed the coffee pot. Again, I'm used to like some of this being over further down in the room because I'm not used to the family suites. But we actually have cabinet space, and I'm probably going to use it to store some of our travel foods and things in. I actually brought popcorn for the kids because I figured if we end up getting rained out, we can come back and have a movie night and have popcorn. And we have a working microwave right here. Looks good. That looks a little off, but it looks good. It's clean inside. They have a Keurig, and they do have regular and decaf. The breakfast blend's decaf, and then they have a Columbia Select Medium Roast right here with 2 to-go coffee cups. We did bring more just because one of ours likes hot tea at night. Have a mini sink here, which is so nice. We also have a pantry here. So they do have the mini fridge here, and we ended up, oh, I could have put full-size coffee creamers there. So they have the mini fridge there where we did bring cold food so that we could have lunch here, so we could try to save a little bit of money. We also have the 2 queen beds, so it'll sleep all 5 of us. So you could actually sleep 6 in this room. So they have that. Here are the beds. Look at the bedspread. Love the pant print on it. They each have the headboards behind them. And these beds are so comfy. Then they have the phone. They have 2 outlets, one on either side of the bed, which is super nice. That one's a push as well. They have the remote. We do have a clock, the phone, more drawer space, cabinet space there. I love extra space because we'll need it. The bench seat there, which we could also pull around. We also have more drawer space here, which is great because I'm actually going to unpack for this trip since we'll be here for 4 nights. We have a little end table here and a comfortable chair, a lamp, and we have this time, if you can hear me over the air conditioning, we have the front of the hotel view, like right here at the front. So again, here's our one more real quick pan of room 220, the family suite at the Kodak East-Sevierville Holiday Inn.